Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Aziz Ahmad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this particular playlist we will be discussing about Python tutorials. We will be understanding how Python programming is done, because Python is very much necessary for the machine learning, for the deep learning programming. So algorithms that we need to implement, we need to know basic libraries that we basically use for implementing machine learning algorithms and for doing the exploratory data analysis. So in this particular playlist we will be discussing completely about Python programming language. We will try to understand the different types of libraries. We will be try to understand how we can work with NumPy in order to work with array. We will try to understand how we can access different source files with the help of pandas libraries, and we will also understand some of the basic data structures used in Python, like list, dictionaries, tuples, sets, and many more things. So to begin with, first of all, basically starting it from the basics. So first of all, we need to know how to install Anaconda environment. We are going to work with the version of Python 3.7, which is the recent version. So to begin with, in order to install Anaconda environment, you just go and open new window. Okay, so you just type here download Anaconda download. Okay, once you do that, you will be able to see the first link over here. Just click over here, and after this you just go to the download section. Okay, and click over here. Okay, if you scroll down, all the version of Python will be available over here. So even you have a Mac OS, you just install from here. Since currently I am working on Windows OS, so first I will download 3.7 version. So guys, you download it. I already have installed Anaconda environment. Once you do that, after the installation is done, the main thing is that how we basically trigger Jupyter Notebook or Spider ID and try to do the execution part. Okay, for that, what I have do is, after the installation is done, you just go and click on the Windows section. Okay, and just write Anaconda prompt. So okay, so now you just write Jupyter Notebook here and just press enter. So it will open a new tab for you, and you see this Jupyter Notebook here, and I already opened this. So I already planned this for the next video. So guys, this is enough for this video, and thank you very much. So I hope you like this particular videos. I will come up with the next video. Thank you one and all.